Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. The Queens neighbourhood in Kingston is one of the most recognizable and historic areas in Eastern Ontario. Centered around Queen's University, the neighbourhood blends education, history, and architecture into a compact district that has shaped Kingston for more than a century. The area is filled with limestone buildings, tree-lined streets, student residences, churches, and small local businesses. Around 25,000 students attend Queen's University each year, giving the neighbourhood a lively and international atmosphere during the academic year. Queen's University was founded in 1841 by the Presbyterian Church and originally operated with only a handful of students. Today, it is one of Canada's leading universities and is known for programs in engineering, medicine, law, and business. The university moved to its current waterfront campus in 1845. Many of the buildings seen throughout the neighbourhood were built from Kingston limestone, the same stone used in many of the city's historic structures. One of the major landmarks in the area is the Kingston Courthouse. Built in 1854, the courthouse is considered one of the finest examples of neoclassical architecture in Ontario. The building was designed by architect Edward Horsey and features large stone columns and a dome overlooking the waterfront. The courthouse still operates today and remains an important symbol of law and government in the city. Its location near Lake Ontario gives it one of the most scenic settings of any courthouse in Canada. Another landmark is St. Mary's Cathedral, located just west of the University District. Construction of the cathedral began in 1842, making it one of the oldest Roman Catholic cathedrals in Ontario. The church was designed in the Gothic Revival style, with tall towers, pointed arches, and detailed stonework. St. Mary's became a cathedral in 1889 and continues to serve the local community today. The Queens neighbourhood is also known for its walkability and connection to the waterfront. Nearby parks and pathways along Lake Ontario provide views of the harbour, islands, and passing boats during the warmer months. The area changes noticeably with the seasons. In autumn, the campus is filled with colorful leaves and returning students. In winter, the limestone buildings and snowy streets give the neighbourhood a quieter and more traditional atmosphere. Kingston is one of Ontario's oldest cities and has a long and important history in Canada. Located where Lake Ontario meets the St. Lawrence River, Kingston became a strategic settlement because of its position between the Great Lakes and the Atlantic trade routes. Indigenous peoples lived and traveled through this area for thousands of years before European settlement began. French traders and explorers arrived during the 17th century, followed later by British military and colonial development. In 1841, Kingston briefly served as the first capital of the province of Canada. Although the capital later moved to other cities, Kingston remained politically and militarily important. Fort Henry, located on a hill overlooking the water, was built to defend the region during tensions between Britain and the United States. Today, Fort Henry is one of Kingston's best-known historic sites and a major tourist attraction recognized as part of a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Kingston is often called the Limestone City because many of its historic buildings were constructed using local limestone. Throughout downtown Kingston, visitors can still see 19th century architecture in churches, government buildings, homes, and commercial streets. Landmarks such as Kingston City Hall and the Waterfront District reflect the city's long connection to politics, trade, and military history. This historic character gives Kingston a different atmosphere compared with many newer Ontario cities. The city has a population of more than 130,000 people, with the larger metropolitan area continuing to grow steadily. Kingston's economy is supported by education, healthcare, government services, tourism, and military activity. Canadian Forces Base, Kingston, remains one of the city's major employers, while Queen's University contributes significantly to research, culture, and local business activity. The city also attracts visitors year-round because of its waterfront location and historical attractions. Tourism plays an important role in Kingston's identity. During the warmer months, visitors explore the downtown waterfront, take cruises through the Thousand Islands region, and attend festivals and cultural events throughout the city. Kingston is also known for its restaurants, public markets, museums, and live music scene. The city combines a relaxed, small city atmosphere with many of the cultural features usually associated with larger urban centers. Kingston's location on Lake Ontario has shaped daily life here for centuries. Harbors, marinas, and waterfront parks remain central parts of the community. In the summer, boating and sailing are especially popular, while winter brings a quieter pace to the shoreline. Across every season, Kingston balances its military history, educational institutions, natural landscapes, and growing suburban neighborhoods, creating a city that continues to evolve while remaining closely connected to its past.